Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am collaborating with my dear friend May, Craft Away with May. And we are to make minimum of 3 DIYs using Dollar Tree planks. So let's jump right in with our first DIY. Look at this beautiful wooden wreath. I purchased this at a grab bag at Michael's about 2 years ago. And if you know me, I'm always looking for those grab box because you get such good deals. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I watered down this chalk paint and the color is opaline green. And I'm just going to be giving it one coat. Now this is all done. I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side and I am going to be painting both of these planks with the color moss. Now both of them are completely done and dry. So I'm coming in with the same opaline green watered down paint and I am going to heavily distress both of these plants. With this Fix-All adhesive super glue, I'm going to be gluing both of these planks together along with a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to use some more of this crazy glue and I am going to be gluing it with a little bit more of hot glue as well, and we're going to be creating a shelf and we are going to be gluing it right on top of this beautiful wood wreath. And I thought that this needed a little bit more of distressing, so let's go ahead and do that along with the whole wreath. I have several ribbons here, so I'm just going to go ahead and make a simple bow. And you know us crafters, we're constantly washing our hands. I forgot to put up my sleeve and it got all wet. So now you are looking at a wet sleeve as I place this beautiful bow right up here on this beautiful wooden wreath. I'm going to go ahead and cut the loose ends and then with some fire, I'm just going to go ahead and seal it in so it won't fray. And of course, I'm going to take a beautiful flower and I'll be placing it right in the middle of the bowl. Look at this beautiful bunny. It's made out of foam. So I'm gonna go ahead with this pale yellow acrylic paint. I'm gonna give it one entire coat. Now the bunny is all completely dry. So with this simple shoelace bow, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here with just a little bit of hot glue, because of course this is made out of foam and we don't want this to, melt all the way through. Once that is completely done, I'm gonna tuck in the little loose ends, and then this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final review. I hope you have enjoyed this simple DIY. My dear friends, today I'm so excited to collaborate with my creative friend May. We'll be crafting 3 DIY projects using Dollar Tree palettes. Make sure to check the description box down below for the link to her channel, and be sure to show her some love when you watch her mesmerizing creations. Don't forget to mention that I sent you. Using the same Opaline green acrylic paint, I am going to be covering only the corner. After I paint the ends, and I'm doing this because I'm going to be placing a beautiful tissue or napkin in this case, I'm going to place it right in the middle. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to come in with some Mod Podge and I'm going to be placing it on the center of this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some heat to make sure that this is nice and dry. And then this tissue, I'm gonna take the double ply out. Later on, I realized that it has a 3 ply, but in the meantime, I'm gonna be taking the 1 ply because I didn't realize that it had, of course, the 3 ply like I just finished saying. And I am going to be cutting it by section, you'll see. And I'm gonna be using my little mini iron. For the first section, what I did is I placed the napkin right where I want it to be, and then I started using my mini iron. But then I'm like, I think I could get away without using the parchment paper, because the parchment paper and the napkin just kept moving around and I was not able to center it correctly. So yep, the next section and so on and so forth, I did not use the parchment paper. And of course I came back and I sealed it with some more Mod Podge. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. I am totally in love with this piece. Now I'm going to be adding this beautiful burlap bow along with some yellow flowers. And thank you for joining me in my DIY projects. If you have not subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. The subscription is completely free. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button like that. Every time I upload a new video, you will be one of the first ones to be notified. And now let me show you the final reveal. I hope you have enjoyed it. And for our next project, I have 2 of the same wood planks, and I will be giving it 1 coat with the same acrylic paint. I also have these wine glass, and I'm going to be painting with the same acrylic paint, only the bottom. And I'll be doing that to 2 wine glass. I also have this beautiful burlap ribbon with little bunnies from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. And I'll do that to both shot glass. Look at how beautiful these look. I also have some jute cord, and I'm going to be tying them to both of the palettes. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and distress both of them with white chalk paint. I'm gonna go ahead and place a little bit of jute cord back here, and I'll do that to both of these palettes. I was gonna go ahead and dispose of these glass, wine glass, and I'm like thinking, why should I do that? I can do something with this. So having said that, let me go ahead and add a little dot of hot glue right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the jute cord right there so it won't move once I put it in the wall. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to place it right on top of the palette. And of course, I'm gonna do the same thing to the second one. I deeply appreciate each of my subscribers, both current and future. Thank you for sticking around until the end of my video. Check out my friend May's channel through the link in my description box. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to join my family. Hit that notification bell button so like that you will be among the first ones to know when I release a new video. Stay tuned for the final review, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And of course, here is the final review. I added some floral. I hope you enjoy it.